How to make your first $1,000 online, beginner friendly. Making your first $1,000 online might sound like a dream, but in 2025, it's more real than ever. Right now, people are making money from their phones, laptops, cafes, and even beaches. No office, no boss, no 9 to 5. And the craziest part? Most of them started just like you. Beginners with zero tech skills and zero clue. In this video, I'm breaking down step by step how you can make your first $1,000 online, even if you've never earned a single dollar before. No startup capital, no complicated setups. Just your time, effort, and a few powerful methods. Stick with me till the end, because I've got a bonus tip that can double your earnings without doubling your effort. Let's get into it. Method 1. Freelancing. Number 1 on the list is freelancing. Think of this as renting your skills to the world. If you can write, design, edit, speak, draw, organize, or even just type fast, you can freelance. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you list your services for free. You start by offering simple gigs, writing a blog, making a basic logo, editing a short video, or even proofreading. It's okay to start small. Charge $5, $10, $20 at the beginning. Do great work. Get reviews. Then slowly raise your price. Do 10 jobs at $10. That's your first 100. Keep going. And 1,000 isn't far. A pro tip: don't wait to be perfect. Start messy. Learn as you go. The market rewards action, not perfection. Method 2. Print on demand. Next up, print on demand. This is the hustle where creativity meets passive income. Here's how it works. You create a design, a quote, a graphic, even just text, and upload it to platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle. They print that design on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, and they handle everything. Printing, shipping, and customer service. You just get paid. Even simple phrases like no coffee, no working, or just breathe can sell if they hit the right audience. And you don't need to be a designer. Tools like Canva make it super beginner friendly. Pro tip: stick to niche ideas like gym motivation, pet lovers, or introvert humor. Niche, loyal buyers. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Method number 3. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make passive income. You don't create products. You just recommend products you already love and earn a commission when someone buys through your special link. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact. Grab your link. Now promote that link through short videos, blog posts, Instagram stories, or YouTube descriptions. Example: make a video about top 3 gadgets under 20. Add your affiliate links in the description. Every time someone clicks and buys, you earn. Pro tip: digital products like software and courses pay higher commissions than physical goods. Method 4. Sell digital products. Number 4 is where things get really exciting. Selling digital products. This is the purest form of passive income. You create something once and sell it unlimited times. What can you sell? Ebooks, Notion templates, budget planners, study guides, workout programs, anything that solves a problem or saves someone time. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip make it easy to list your product and start selling. Even a $10 item you sold 100 times hits your first $1,000. Put 10 without use ChatGPT to help you write content. Use Canva to design it, and don't overthink. Just start. Method 5. Online tutoring or coaching. Method 5. Online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at anything, and I mean anything, you can teach it online. Whether it's school subjects like math or science, or personal skills like speaking English, coding, playing guitar, or even chess. There's a student out there who wants to learn. Sites like Preply, Cambly, and Superprov connect you with learners around the world. You set your hours, you set your price. Even $15 per hour adds up fast. Pro tip: offer a free first session. Deliver insane value. Your students will stay and recommend you to others. Bonus: combine and multiply. All right, here's your bonus tip. Want to reach $1,000 faster? Combine 2 methods. Let's say you're freelancing as a video editor. Recommend editing software through an affiliate link to your client. Now you're getting paid twice, and once for your service, once for the referral. Or create a Notion productivity template, list it on Gumroad, then promote it using YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Now you're making digital product sales and building a brand. Pro tip: stack income streams like Lego blocks. Start with one, then build the tower. Final thoughts: motivation, clarity. Look, I get it. Starting can feel overwhelming. But here's the truth. You don't need a fancy laptop. You don't need thousands of followers. And you don't need permission. All you need is action. That's it. One step, then another. Your first $1,000 online isn't some impossible goal. It's a milestone that millions of people are hitting every day, from bedrooms, hostels, and cafes. And the moment you make it, everything shifts. Because now, you know it's possible. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one method from this video. Commit to it for the next 30 days. Don't quit. Don't bounce around. Just go deep. That's how you win. Now, tell me in the comments, which method are you starting today? Smash that like button, subscribe for more zero fluff, real money tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Your first $1,000, it's already waiting. Go claim it.